Hi, my name is PJ Dietrich, and this is my video on electromagnetics. Now, a common misconception is that all metal objects are able to be picked up by magnets. One example of what's not being able to be picked up by magnets is this piece of copper wire right here. Okay, this copper wire, no matter how hard I try, no matter how many times I touch it with this magnet, it will never get picked up. Okay? However, when you wrap copper wire around a iron nail and put electricity through the copper wire, you're able to do things that you normally would not be able to do. Like pick up this aluminum cap. Now, you may ask, well, isn't a nail able to pick up this aluminum cap? Well, no. See, this nail and this piece of copper wire alone cannot pick up this aluminum cap. However, when you put electricity through a piece of copper wire that's wrapped tightly around the nail, like so, and you hook it up to the positive and the negative side of the battery, you're able to pick up the aluminum cap. Now, how does this happen, you may ask? It's very simple, really. When electricity... Now, in this nail, the electrons are all scattered in different directions throughout this nail. Now, when you introduce electricity around it on all sides, you align the electrons so they're all facing one way. So you have all the electrons on the one side facing this way, say, and all the protons facing this way. So therefore, you have created a bipolar magnet. Now this bipolar magnet has a north side and a south side, just like regular magnets. Like these. These, if they're like this, they attract to each other. However, if I turn this one around, they repel. Okay? So, magnets are a very tricky thing. However, they are very strong. This magnet, for example, can pick up this nail, or move this nail, and this cap, and this paperclip, all at the same time, all against the forces of gravity. Now, you may ask, well, why not use magnets for everything instead of using electromagnets? A good question, but there's a couple reasons why. One example on why you should use an electromagnet over a regular magnet, a permanent magnet as they're called, is with an electromagnet, you can turn off the magnetism just by simply removing the electricity source. See? And I remove the electricity source, the battery, and the cap falls. Or I pick up this paper clip. It's not easy to get off. It's moving around it. But if I remove the electricity, the paper clip falls off. So what's happening when I run electricity through this copper wire that's spiraled around this nail is it's aligning all the electrons in one direction so that it focuses all the electrons and is able to pick up the things. Now I'm going to show you how to make your own electromagnet. What you need is a long piece of copper wire and a galvanized nail. Now this is a 2.5-inch galvanized nail, but you can make them bigger with bigger nails, but you need more wire. So what you do first is you start at the top of the nail and you start winding this copper wire around the nail like so. Now I could sit here and show you this entire how to wind this copper wire around this nail, say 50 times or 60 times. But you want to make it as tight as you possibly can is the key. Now the tighter it is, the stronger the electricity that's flowing through this nail will be, and it'll make the electrons line up a lot easier than if you were to have, say, a loosely coiled one like this. See how there's one every couple inches, maybe every couple quarter inches, compared to this one where there's one every millimeter or so. This one will be a lot stronger in the end than this half-coiled one. Thank you.